Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here to share a small TEMU haul with you. I've been ordering from them like crazy for the wedding, and so I wanted to share this batch with you of stuff I got in. There's some craft stuff in here too, so stick around if you care to have a look. So for the first item, and these are the first 3 items or 4 items will be wedding, and then the rest will be crafty or something like that. The first item, so I'm doing real flowers in some spots and imitation flowers in other spots. I feel like things that are up close need to be real, and things that are far away can be imitation. Flowers are just so expensive for weddings, and I just didn't want my budget to go for flowers. So I decided to give TEMU a try, and I found this vine for $1.88, and I thought, well, let me just get a couple and see. It does say on the website that one is not, to get the look that they're showing, you need more than one. So I, of course, I have probably about 20 or so of these, and they look beautiful actually where I have them. These haven't quite opened up yet because I just took them out of the bags, but they look pretty enough when they're far away, and doubled up, they look gorgeous. So I was really happy with them. You know, if you go into Hobby Lobby or whatever, you can't buy these vines for $1.88 each. So I decided just to go with TEMU, and I've already done like a mock setup of all the different things that are going to be at the wedding so that I can kind of see how things are looking. And I use this on a ladder that I'm using as a decor piece, and oh my gosh, they look so pretty, that the garland. And then for the tables, I want to do a centerpiece mixture of real flower and imitation flowers. So one of my favorite flowers is a hydrangea, and I thought, well, let me try the ones on TEMU, and they were $2.38, and you get 5 pieces, 5 stems. And I was quite pleased with them. I think they're very lovely for imitation. They don't look like the Dollar Tree silky cheap flowers. These look like a cloth. They're very beautiful, and like I said, you get 5 stems for $2.88. So I got boatload of these as well to mix in with the real flowers. I think they'll be stunning. So I was impressed with those. Next thing I picked up was for hors d'oeuvres. I'm going to be doing these really cute hors d'oeuvres. And I'll get pictures of all this later. I can't show everything on camera because people that are coming to the wedding are watching my videos, and I don't want to spoil it for them, so I've kind of held back on what I've been showing y'all, but I've made a boatload of stuff, and I will share it at some point. But I did pick these up at TEMU. You get 100 for $2.88. And you guys could use these in crafting as well, but I got them for hors d'oeuvres, so I thought they would be perfect, and I grabbed a couple bags of those. And then I'm doing, instead of the traditional wedding cake, I think that's a waste of money as well, because not everybody eats wedding cake, and you know, you spend $700-800 on a wedding cake, and then you're stuck with most of it because nobody really ate it. So we're going to do just the top tier for my then husband and I, and then we're doing a dessert bar. So I'm going to do macarons, petit fours, brownies, donuts, cookies, you name it, we'll have it on the dessert bar. And I've already done a mock setup of that, and it's really cute. But for that, I needed some donut holders. One of our friends owns a donut shop, and he will be contributing donuts to my dessert bar thing. And this is kind of not as sturdy as I was hoping it would be. These only cost $1.58, so they weren't even that expensive. You kind of put that there. You put... I have to glue all this together because I just think it would be sturdier if it just didn't snap together. Anyhow, this thing goes there, and then you put this here, and you put this here, and it goes through the hole, and then it holds the donuts. Well, it looks better than that, but anyhow, I'll decorate it. It'll be cute, and I'll make it work. It's just for the one day anyhow. So at $1.58, I figured, you know, why not just get the ones that are already kind of made for me. I don't have to do too much work to them except glue and decorate. So that was wedding stuff. And then for myself, I picked up this silicone mat. I have one, and mine is actually yellowed, so I wanted to get a new one. This one's really thin, but it serves the point for what I needed it for. This cost $1.68, and basically I have a video that I did hot wax seals, but I used a hot glue gun, and then to do it I laid this down on top of a circle template and put this there so I knew how much glue to circle out for the wax seal. So that's why I got a clear one, and I love having it clear for a lot of other reasons. I picked up also this for the same thing. This one is actually a mold, so you put your wax or your hot glue in there and then put your stamp, and apparently, you know, it'll stay within the boundaries there. So this one was $1.98 for this one. This trim, you get 10 yards for 69 cents, and I thought it was so pretty, so I grabbed this for my stash. This trim was $1.48 for, I believe it's more than a yard. It feels like more than a yard here. But I just thought this was so pretty, and it's plastic. It's not real, of course, like anything else. It's just plastic. But I thought it was such a pretty trim. So I picked up 3 of those, actually, which are there. What else? I got these beads. Now, I've seen these at Hobby Lobby. They come in a box, and you get way more, but it costs a lot more, and you get 100 pieces of this one, and they are $1.52, and I opened the pink one up so you could see what's in here. And I really like this collection for one reason in particular. You get these ribbon slides, which I think are so nice. You slide ribbon through there. And then the roses are bigger than the ones that come at Hobby Lobby, and they're so pretty. I wish you got more than 2 in the pack, but still, that's all you get for the $1.50 change or whatever it is. So those. And then the last item that I picked up from TEMU were these waxed paper sheets. You get 50 sheets, and these were $3.48 for 50 sheets, which is not bad, especially because they're so pretty, and they're quite a good size. That's about the size of it. So it's about 9 inches, I'm guessing. Let me see here. About 10 inches by 10 by 9 almost. And this one is got roses on it. I just think it's so pretty. I'm going to use this in my crafting, so I have an idea for these, and so that's why I got that. So that is my TEMU haul. I have another one headed my way. They're just taking a little longer, so I kind of keep ordering back-to-back stuff. And I'll share it with you, and pictures and ideas and things that I've been up to after the wedding or close to the wedding. I just, like I said, don't want to spoil it for the people that are coming. So anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.